This is my case study. The problem statement is to write a program in C to check whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not. This is introduction of the program, and this is the aim. This is algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, define a function count digits to count the number of digits in a given number. Step 3, define a function is Armstrong to check if a number is an Armstrong number. Step 4, the main function. Step 5, declare a variable number. Step 6, prompt the user to enter a number. Step 7, read and store the input in the variable number. Step 8, call the isArmstrong function with the input number. Step 9, if the returned value is 1, true, print number is an Armstrong number. Step 10, otherwise print number is not an Armstrong number. Step 11, end. This is flowchart. This is sample code. Here the program includes the necessary header files stdio.h for input or output functions and math.h for mathematical operations like power. Function definitions. Count digits int num. This function takes an integer num as input and returns the number of digits in that number. Is Armstrong of int num. This function checks whether the given number num is an Armstrong number or not. If returns 1 if the number is an Armstrong number and 0 otherwise. Count digits function. This function iterates through the digits of the number by continuously dividing it by 10 until the number becomes 0. In each iteration, it increments a counter variable count. Finally, it returns the count of digits. Is Armstrong function. This function calculates whether a given number is an Armstrong number or not. It first initializes variable original number, remainder and result to store the original number, remainder of each digit and the result of the Armstrong calculation respectively. It calls the count digits function to determine the number of digits in the given number num. Then it iterates through the digits of the number using a while loop. In each iteration, it calculates the remainder of the number when divided by 10, raises it to the power of the number of digits, and adds it to the result. Finally, it checks if the calculated result is equal to the original number. If it is, it returns 1 true, indicating that the number is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, it returns 0 false. Main function. It declares a variable number to store the user input. It prompts the user to enter a number. It reads and stores the input in the variable number. It calls the isArmstrong function within the input number. If the returned value is 1 true, then it prints that the number is an Armstrong number. Otherwise, it prints that the number is not an Armstrong number. Return statement. The main function returns 0 to indicate successful execution of the program.